Hi, I'm going to open my next smart doll that I just received today. I just did a video with Summer, and she is really pretty. And a week or so ago, I did a video with Variant, and she is absolutely beautiful. Variant actually reminds me a lot of a dragonfly, and I love that because I love dragonflies. Just her long, skinny body and her big eyes. And her hair is kind of a silvery ash color. And Summer is the tea skin tone. She's a little darker. Keep calm and carry smart doll. That's how they come. And, okay, I can see the name of who this is in the bag. This is, when I was going back and forth, at first, when I was buying my first smart doll, this was my first choice, and then I saw Variant with the birthmarks. I was going to say tattoos, with the birthmarks, and so I ended up going with her, and I haven't regretted it at all. She's a beautiful doll. This is her stand, and this is her wig. So I'll open her wig really quickly. This is the reason that I was interested in this doll, was because of her wig. If I can figure the wig cap out. So this one has short, dark hair, and I just thought that was really fun. And so I'm so glad I was able to get her and bring her home here. So this one's name is Genesis, and I noticed there's also other Genesis on there, and I was not confused at first, but I thought that each one with its hair type and face, there was only one type, but there's a Genesis T. Sorry. Interruptions. There's a Genesis T skin tone, and she has long dark hair, and this is the cinnamon skin tone, and I guess that's why she has short hair. So this is how they come in the bag. Like this. And this one has a real life. Is that what it's called? Real life face? True life? True life face. It's not anime. Oh, she's very pretty. She has brown eyes. Oh, and she came in gray underwear and sports bra. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm trying to put these pieces of plastic away as I do this, and this one just wants to be full of air. So here's Genesis. She has cinnamon skin tone. Try out all of her joints and bodies. This is the one I originally, when I looked at the Smart Doll website, originally, even last summer. I think she was there last summer. Maybe recently, before I was going to buy one. This is the one that I was interested in purchasing, was this one. The difference with her is she has like a nose with like nostrils, and she just has more of a real life look. She has smaller eyes compared to my other two that are anime. Should we put her wig on really quick and pull her head off? These wigs are a little harder to do than the just the straight no bangs wig. So just kind of pop her head down in the front of it and grab this little pocket in the back and just kind of pull it down. It might have gotten a little crooked. Oh, there we go. Just kind of pulls right down. Oh, so cute. So cute, so cute. Look how cute that is. I love this hairstyle. And the wig goes like right to their ears. They have elf ears that you can buy for them. I'd like to get a pair. And they just kind of sit there and the wig kind of holds the elf ears in place. I'll have to adjust this later a little better, but just so we can see. So this is Genesis Cinnamon Skin Tone with the short hair. Isn't she cute? Her wig's still a little funky. I'm gonna have to fix it, but we can see she has more real life face, and see how their heads can, so you can get a lot of expression in her arms. So you can think about her short hair and how cute it is. So yeah, she's really fun. Like I was saying, they have hands that can change, and I guess their hands just kind of pull off. You do it to change their clothes also. They just have that little piece under there, and they have these vinyl hands. So there she is, Genesis, my newest smart doll. She's very pretty. So excited to have her. So we'll see you guys soon. We'll probably have all the smart dolls together. I've got some clothes ordered. Hey, you. I got some clothes ordered, but I was able to buy these so quickly by getting the funds from other doll sales that I don't even know if I have enough clothes coming to dress everyone yet. And their clothes can be kind of expensive. The really fancy ones are way expensive, but I'm just trying to keep it fun and simple for now. Maybe make some more expensive purchases at a later date, but they're really fun. I'm glad that I finally broke down and bought one, and glad to have been able to found them. So there she is, Genesis Cinnamon Skin Tone, short bob hair, real life face, pretty girl. And we'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.